Tell me, Vegeta, what is it like to feel this kind of pain? He'll be cleaning you up off the highway. To work so hard, to work so hard, he'll be cleaning you up off the highway. To work so hard, he'll be cleaning you up off the highway.
No! The Super Saiyans of legend were an invincible warrior race! I am their son, and at long last, I have risen to claim my birthright! I have stepped into the ranks of greatness! All my life I have worked towards this goal, and for what? To be brushed aside as easily as a common housefly by an android? A true Super Saiyan would not have fallen. Maybe I'm not who I think I am. Perhaps there are still new plateaus for me to reach, far greater heights to which I must ascend. Yes! I will ascend! The universe will marvel to see the Ultimate Saiyan potential once again realized. And I will be legendary. And then, Kakarot, then I will see you bow before your prince.